What's up, y'all? And of course, as soon as I start doing this, my camera dies, huh? You piece of shits. I'm doing the $50 dank stock unboxing. At least trying to, anyway. Don't fall and spill everything. $50 dank stop unboxing. Wanted to do it up on here and see what all goes on. So. Hopefully nothing comes broken. Well, that's already not a good sign. That's already not a good sign. And it's open already. Fucking Cannabis Passport magazine. Interesting. So, first things first, Cannabis Passport magazine. Never seen that before. And of course, you have the fucking packing peanuts. Fucking hate these shits, bro. That's cool. Got a Daily High Club pin. Yeah, but what if you like the sticky fingers? Oh, shit. Got the organic hemp wick. That's some good shit. And obviously, you've seen lighters, so you know. These shits are cool. I had another one, and it's basically just throw your bud in here, and there's a light, and you can basically magnify what you have in there. So we get another one of those. That's cool. That might be given away to you guys. You get another one of these fidget spinner lighters or whatever the hell they are. Is it for the... We'll fit down. Got another fidget spinner lighter case thing. Miracle Lemonade air freshener. these mango blunt wraps. These are nice. I like these. Another high-ass lemon. More of these wild blooming filter tips. I like these a lot. Haven't quite figured out how to use them yet, but it will definitely be a thing. Famous Brands rolling tray, that's nice. I like that a lot. So yeah, like I said, another hot lemon. And Daily High Club sticker. Now we got some more of this 420 clean. This shit. That love this shit. Highly recommend getting some of it. It basically takes out all the effort of cleaning your shit. And the part that you guys all came to see. See what we got for glass. Oh, that's dope. That's fucking sick. Cool. I probably won't use that one myself, but that might be given away to you guys. For another giveaway. pretty much all in all, that is everything. The Daily High Club pin, the hemp wick, the air freshener, the filter tips. Lighter, the flicker case, the rolling papers, two stickers, piece of glass, and the blunt wraps, and the rolling tray. So, I mean, that one was not a bad haul for 50. So, I want to thank Dankstop for hooking it up, and I will put the link into the description for the link that you guys can go use to buy stuff from their website. If you do, it helps me out a lot, and I will see you guys in the next one. Deuces.